Ash, you've just been on a big old adventure, haven't you?
That's
to raise
right.
awareness over in China.
That's it.
And at the heart, you had environmental issues too. But how did you dream this one up then? What was the plan
This was an idea
initially?
probably from about 10 years ago when I first went to China. I knew that I'd one day return to take something through the heart of it and, you know, show off the true side and the beautiful side of China in all its diversity.
So how bad is the river?
The river's getting better year by year. You know, there's a lot of support now to organisations like the WWF to help, you know, bring species on the brink of extinction back into their numbers.
But there is a lot of pollution in the...
There's still a lot of work to be done, yeah, but it's very positive.
So did you literally wander along the side of the Yangtze River? I mean, how far are we talking about here?
Yeah, so 4,000 miles. It took me 352 days to complete, but I couldn't follow the riverbanks all the way because just the sheer
Just the size of them,
yeah,
right, OK.
often detouring through the mountains.
But you did go to the start, really, didn't you? The actual source of it.
That's it, and that was just so small. You can see in this image, I could literally just step over that. But by the end, it was almost 10 miles wide.
Goodness me.
Well, tell us a bit about the route, OK, because it's not been done before. And why do you think that is?
I think just because, you know, from what all the evidence we could suggest said that there was kayakers, canoeists, but we couldn't find any evidence to suggest that anyone had walked it. And actually, the true and scientific source was only discovered in 2009.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, we've seen the landscape then that you're kind of wandering through here, and this is wild territory.
Really was.
Ash.
I did feel really vulnerable at times.
Yeah, so what kind of wildlife did you encounter, or did you know was there when you were?
We were warned a lot about the bears. You know, the bears were coming off the mountains. It was too cold. They were looking to go into hibernation, but eating food, you know, calories before they went into hibernation.
Yeah.
And we were walking calories. There were the wolves as well, of course.
Yeah.
There were, you know, the 5,100 metres the source of the Yangtze starts off, so that's pretty high altitude.
Yeah. And the people that you met then, I mean, were they hearing the message, and were you getting that across to them?
They were. I was promoting on all social media platforms. I actually had people join me as well. It was really interactive, and we did litter picking. I was presenting at schools along the way, partnering with organisations to help spread awareness.
And you became a bit of a celebrity in China, didn't you?
It went down really well. You know, the locals really took to it. It was amazing to have such great
Look at you in the shopping centre.
There we
go. You are. Well, listen, that is fantastic. And congratulations, Ash, on what is a truly epic achievement.
Yes, thank you.
Let's hear it for Ash, shall we?
Now, a big thank you to Fred. Thank you so much for being here. New series, Step Up to the Plate, is available on CBBC and iPlayer. And to Bonnie, who's hopefully made it to the theatre on time.
I'm sure she will have done. Anyway, tomorrow, the Supremes' Mary Wilson will be here. Plus, find out who's turning Judge Rob Rinder into a lord. We'll see you at 7. Have a great night. Good night. Good night.